7 seconds. That's all it takes for a conversation to go wrong. A nurse at the end of a double. A teacher with 30 faces waiting. A foreman with a shift change bearing down. Every organization that serves people faces the same challenge: communication breakdown. What if you could change that in just 7 seconds? Not 7 weeks, not 7 meetings, 7 seconds. 14 years old, one word stamped on a file: uneducable. Some men carry a word like that to the grave. This man carried it to the mountaintop. Words can bury a boy. Words can raise a man. He knows, because both happened to him. Created by TyGrayEL, an African-American man who was labeled uneducable at age 14, but transformed his life using the exact skills taught in this program. Now a certified stress management therapist and the first Poet Laureate Emeritus in the 210-year history of the AME Church. The same voice they wrote off now steadies rooms full of people under pressure. That is not a slogan. That is a life. Picture it: a hallway, 2 co-workers, 1 grievance, voices rising. Then one of them breathes, chooses 7 seconds of the right words, and the temperature drops. Picture a shift change handoff where nothing gets lost, because the nurse coming off knows how to hand the day to the nurse coming on. Small moments, real money. RTR7 equips employees with effective 7-second communication tools that develop happier, more productive citizens. By strengthening your human capital, this program directly increases the bottom line for any business. This is where the poetry meets the payroll. Stress is expensive. Turnover is expensive. The best idea in the room staying stuck in somebody's throat, that's expensive too. Calm is a skill, and skills can be taught. Your people already have the heart. Give them the language. Rhymes to Resilience is ready for your hospital, your school, your factory floor, your front office. Because culture isn't a poster on the wall. Culture is how your people speak to each other when the pressure is on. Equip your staff with the tools to advance. Visit TyGrayEL.com or email ty@tygrayel.com to adopt Rhymes to Resilience today. 7 seconds, shorter than the breath you just took. Long enough to change a conversation, a workday, a life. Rhymes to Resilience. 7 seconds to change.